One of the most common things women have been affected with over this COVID pandemic has been acute hair loss. This is known as alopecia. Alopecia are of three different kinds. We have alopecia areata, which is isolated patchy baldness. This can occur in point-sized spaces all over your scalp. Then there is alopecia totalis, which is your entire scalp, and you will notice a thinning that starts taking place where you part your hair. Then you have alopecia universalis, which can affect your scalp along with your eyebrows and hair everywhere else on your body. So these are your different types of alopecia. It's best if you are aware of it and start noticing which one do you fall under. In the case of alopecia areata, which is patchy baldness, you can cover it up with an invisible scalp topper. Based on the size of your patch, you can go for a smaller one or a slightly larger one, which offers more coverage. Now, in the case of alopecia totalis or alopecia universalis, you can use 100% human hair wig, which will allow for complete coverage without causing any strain on your scalp. So if you're looking to buy 100% human hair extensions and wigs, you can drop by any of our stores in Delhi, Bangalore and Hyderabad. We're also available online at divadivinehair.com. We do 100% customizations based on color, length and texture of your hair. So drop by.